Nursing school tips for single moms in their first year. We hope this information provides you great wealth and resources. Now let's get to work. Many people have no idea what they want to do after leaving high school. Quite the contrary. Many people discover their true calling in life after experiencing various stages of adulthood, such as marriage, the birth of a child, or any combination thereof. Nursing school can help you if you're a single parent who wants to become a nurse. Commendations on your decision to balance your education and family responsibilities by enrolling a college or university program. There aren't enough words to express our gratitude for such a monumental task. For those of you who face this difficulty, we've put up 6 recommendations to help you manage your time better. 1. Don't be afraid to talk to your loved ones. When you add education, it will be much harder to be a parent. Reach out to family and friends for support while navigating your way through school. Raising children and working friends and relatives may assist with childcare. But they can also provide emotional support. Lunch or supper with friends with whom you can openly share your thoughts and feelings is beneficial to your well-being. Let others around you know what you need. When it comes to the practical aspects of moving, they'll be there for you. You're not the only one to make an application for financial assistance. Many people assume that financial help is only accessible to students in their early 20s. But this is not true. Financial assistance might be a lifesaver for a single mom who has a lot on her plate. Incoming students at Ameritech have access to a wide range of financial assistance options, which your financial aid counselor will help you navigate. There is help available. Just let us know what you need. 3. Create a regimen that works for you. Routines may provide a sense of security. Anxiety levels skyrocket when faced with a never-ending stream of choices and sudden shifts in daily routine. Having a regular schedule takes the pressure off. It is possible to develop a routine around the fact that you will take lessons reasonably regularly. It's your best bet that you and your boss can develop a schedule that works for both of you. As a parent, you will also need a set schedule for your kid. When it comes to things like going into daycare or knowing that specific friends or family members will pick them up for particular events, they must understand and feel at ease with their regular routines. Talk to your kids about what you're doing and why you're doing it. Your children's intelligence is frequently underestimated, and the way you communicate with them may have a wide range of advantages. You should tell your children what you're reading. If they ask for specifics of what you're reading, may be lost on them, but they understand what a nurse is and what they perform. They will be proud of you for it. They'll be able to look up to and realize that their parent is a person who is concerned about the well-being of others. There's nothing quite like it. 5. When you can do your homework online. Many of our students have families, careers, and other commitments. Ameritech's general education classes went online in May 2017. For this same reason, and we hope you'll take advantage of them while you have the chance. Even if you're studying, you may still be present for your children and profit from the privacy of your own home. Some courses may need you to be on campus, but not all do. 6. Read first. Nursing school requires a lot of reading. But if you try to retain everything on your first pass, you are just going to be frustrated. Before you read a chapter, skim the material first, look at headings, subheadings, and highlighted terms. And review the summaries and questions at the end of the chapter to determine which information is most important. 7. Learn to love study groups. Nursing students are some of the busiest people. When asked about study groups, common responses are, "I learned best on my own." "I don't have time for study groups," and study groups do not stay on task. Students may not have time in their day for a traditional study group. Helping students to understand that difficult tasks can be better accomplished through teamwork as a part of nursing suggests a non-traditional study group. A group chat with students posting study questions throughout the day may fit into the student's schedule. Regardless of the busy day and hours work scheduled, a video chat with pre-assigned topics can help maintain the focus of the group and stay on task. 8. Make time to relax and recharge. This may seem like an impossible burden for a single parent, but it's essential. Those who work in healthcare and parents who care for their children put in a lot of time and effort. But you too are a human being who needs to be taken care of. As little as 20 minutes. It's a peaceful contemplation. Each day may positively impact your mental and physical health. You will be better able to do your duties if you take some time to rest and refuel. Self-care isn't only for selfish reasons, it's also a must for your overall well-being. Keep in mind that you're making progress. Being a student and a parent simultaneously is an unusual combination. You will be juggling the responsibilities of your academics, your children, and your employment. That said, it is just a matter of time. You will eventually finish your education and get a career in a field you like. Similarly, children grow increasingly self-reliant as they mature. You have fewer than 2 years to buckle down and do the hard work to create a difference for yourself during this stressful period of your life. There is a reward for perseverance. Ladies of Single Moms Make Money, we hope you enjoy the information we provide. Please let us know what you would like to know about. Check out our new blog and sign up for opportunity for free prizes and cash.